Hi, and welcome to another All Things Google student tutorial. Today I will demonstrate how to open Google Calendar and keep your dates, due dates, test dates, meetings with friends, sports and hobbies all together in your Google Calendar, and to be able to set notifications so that you can remember to get to the places you need to get. So let's go in and look at your calendar. So here we have the brightly colored calendar here, your assignments, they're from your teachers. Remember last time I showed you that you can click on these and you can actually go right to Google Classroom from here. Well, you can also add in events that you may be doing. For instance, here, online meeting with coach. So if you have a sport that you're playing and you have different meetings that you have to get, you can add these in. So let's show you how that works. So you're going to, let's say you have the same thing here on the 18th. You're going to click on it. You're going to add in meeting with coach. And you need to add the time of the meeting. So let's say it's going to be at 12 p.m. And let's say you're going to meet with him every Monday at the same time. So we're going to put weekly on Monday. And then if you need to invite anyone or put where it's going to be, you know it's going to be online. And he's going to send you that link. Okay, and then down here you can see where my name is. I can actually change the category so I know what it's for. So I've decided that my sports are always going to be in green. So when I look at my calendar and I see green, that's what I know is sports. Okay, and while I'm in that meeting, I want to be seen as busy. Sometimes if you're you can put yourself as free if you want people to still be able to send you information. This last one that looks like a bell here is the notifications. Now here, default is 10 minutes before, but I would like to have an hour before the meeting to remind me in case I want to have a shower first so my hair looks nice. So that's how you can add the notification to it. Then once you have all of those filled in, you can hit save. And now when you look at your calendar, you can see here on Monday, every week at 12, you have a meeting with coach. Okay. The reason that this one just has a little green dot and this one is completely green is that this meeting, if we go into edit, so to edit, you click on it, you go into edit, and you can see that this says all day. It's an all day meeting, so probably wouldn't have an all day meeting. So we're going to click off of that and put the time from 10 to 10:30. It's green because it's a workout. Oh, I got to work out longer than 30 minutes. Let's go to 10 to 11 and save. Okay, and you can see now that it is just a green dot. So I have shown you here how you can create a meeting. I have shown you how you can edit the meeting and how to organize by category. Hopefully this will help you to be a little more organized in your merging your academic responsibilities with your personal responsibilities and using your calendar to be a really successful person. So thank you. No. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we'll see you next time.